Duro Dyne offers the greatest array of the highest quality screws in the industry. The wide variety of packaging options makes it simple to find the right Duro Dyne screw option for any job. Super Saber self-piercing screws are perfect for use on light to medium gauge metals. The precision-formed, heat-treated, non-walking point pierces metal easily and is capable of penetrating 3 layers of 22 gauge steel. The fine-cut machine thread rapidly propels the screw through metal with minimal effort. Super Saber screws are also available in a high head style, featuring the highest head in the industry. The innovative tri-drive head on the Super Saber screws make it possible to use a flathead, Phillips head, or hex head driver for installation or removal. ProPoint self-drilling screws are designed to fasten heavier gauge metals. The precision-formed drill point assures faster penetration with less effort. The thread is designed to pull the screw through the metal with no strip out, and the serrations under the head prevent the screw from backing out. The high head ProPoint screw has the highest head in the industry, keeping the screw in the chuck with ease at any angle. Tech 5 ProPoint screws have a number 5 tip, ideal for cutting through steel up to 5/8 inches thick. The high head and precision-formed drill point make for supreme stability and ease of use. With the sharpest points, the highest heads, and our unique tri-drive head, Duro Dyne has a long history of innovating a product that many others have considered good enough. We've now gone beyond product innovation to offer a packaging solution with the contractor in mind. Our new screw buckets start with a convenient, durable handle to make it easier to get to the product to the job site. Duro Dyne screw pails are never stapled shut, and they include a series of loops to make opening the lid quick and easy. These same loops also serve as a convenient way to store your Duro Dyne high-powered magnetic drill chucks. And in case this has ever happened to you, the new Duro Dyne Unbreakable screw bucket means an accident doesn't have to ruin your day. For more information on these and other durable and dynamic products from Duro Dyne, please visit us at www.durodyne.com.